Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Concerns this evening from staff at the Abilities Foundation of Jamaica over the roadwork along Constant Spring Road, St. Andrew, which continues to affect both students and staff. As part of the road improvement project, sidewalks were demolished and rebuilt in less than 24 hours. But as TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports, the construction was done without the approval of the National Works Agency.
So close to their destination, yet so far away. Students from the Abilities Foundation on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew making their way home from school. But now they have to do so with extra care. This after the barriers were removed from the sidewalk over the weekend to facilitate the wider Constant Spring Road improvement project. But now these students are exposed to all sorts of danger.
There is a balance issue. So before we had rails so that they could hold on to the rails. And even so, the rails help to keep vehicles from coming into you as well.
But on Monday, it was a different story.
It's a touchy one for me because yesterday I was really upset when I drove in and I saw that Sunday when I passed, it was okay. And then when I came to work yesterday morning, my students, I know how to hold on to railing. My students who I know with the wheelchair, with the pushers, there is nowhere for them to walk.
We were told the sidewalk was rebuilt Monday night after the staff complained to the people carrying out the roadwork. But still, it was not done to their liking.
My chair can fit on it because it's a size 16, and that again I need to make people aware of. Wheelchair comes in various sizes. So while I may fit on it and it may be narrow for me that uses a size 16, what if a size 18 goes on it or a size 20?
Therese Braham has cerebral palsy and has been teaching at the school for years. But with no wheelchair ramp on the new sidewalk, this is what she has to do. She's upset that members of the disabled community are simply left out of the government's master plan.
My thing would be show things too much. Take it or leave it. And once we're saying take it or leave it, you're not really accommodating, especially persons with disability. You're saying, oh, me give you this, take it.
Which brings us to another issue which has been affecting the staff and students since the roadwork began last year: limited internet access. We were told some students, especially those with sight and hearing problems, are heavily dependent on the internet.
Only can teach units that they are not going to use the internet for. We have persons who are blind, who may need their jaws to be upgraded or the system to be upgraded. We need persons who may need to go on the internet to really see and do the stuff to actually say, okay, miss, I can manage. This is not available to us. This is not available to us.
Telecommunications companies like Flow have taken the government to task for damaging millions of dollars worth of cables since the roadwork started and have asked customers to be patient as they work to fix the issue. As for the challenges with the sidewalk, communications officer at the National Works Agency, Natalie Bloomfield, told us the sidewalk and the barriers were removed without the agency being notified. She explained that the team would lower the ramp for wheelchair access Tuesday night. However, when we contacted representatives at the school on Wednesday, nothing was done. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.